Hello, this is Finnish Lumberjack. I have been felling trees over 30 years, but now I crushed one thing I don't understand, so I need your help. I have this Husqvarna 550 and there is this kind of black lines. I know this vertical line is for aiming, so it defines the felling direction, but here are this kind of horizontal black lines. Same thing, 540, here's a line, or maybe this one. Same thing in steel, MS 500, black line, 560, not black line, only this gray line in the sticker, MS 400, no lines, only this vertical line. Does anyone know what's the meaning of this? Please comment, so we all will know this after this video. Thank you in advance.